Hello dear children, today I am going to teach you nature talk. We are going to learn some names of the domestic animals. Domestic animals are tamed by human beings. Some people have dogs and cats as their pet animals. This is cat. What is this? This is cat. Cat. Repeat me. Cat. Cat. Very good. See this picture. This is dog. 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 Say once again. Dog. Repeat me. Dog. Dog. Good. Look at this. This is horse. 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 Say with me. Horse. Repeat me. Horse. Horse. Very nice. What it is? It is a goat. 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 Repeat me. Goat. Goat. Superb. The next domestic animal is cow. 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 Repeat me. Cow. Cow. Good. This is rabbit. 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 Repeat me. Rabbit. Rabbit. Nice. Look at this picture. This is donkey. 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 Say after me. Donkey. Donkey. Very good. The next domestic animal is ox. Ox. Repeat me. Ox. Ox. Good. See this picture. This is sheep. 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 Say once again. Sheep. Well done. Children, let us recall the names of the domestic animals. Cat, dog, horse, goat, cow, rabbit, donkey, ox, sheep. Say together, cat, dog, horse, goat, cow, rabbit, donkey, ox, sheep. Children, practice the names of the domestic animals at your home. Thank you, children. See you in the next class.